We're tracking its movement closely. It seems particularly interested in this patch of moss.
Under every layer, life is waiting. We enter its world.
The journey begins. Every step reveals a new world.
A hidden entrance appears.
From light into darkness. Only a faint beam guides the way. The deeper we go, the more we discover. The deeper we go, the tighter the world becomes. Every path is shared with others. New paths open in every direction. The terrain constantly shifts. Even the ground itself is alive.
Hidden chambers break the darkness.
Every obstacle shapes the journey. Movement here is never random. Collisions are part of survival. Even in motion, there are moments of stillness. Some paths barely allow passage. Adaptation is the key to survival.
Moisture brings new life. Even water shapes this world.
The maze never ends.
Every choice leads deeper.
Resources are constantly transported.
Movement never stops.
The ground vibrates with life.
The space begins to open.
A larger world reveals itself. This is where activity gathers. Every direction is alive.
Everything here has a purpose. Space is limited in this world. But deeper paths still remain.
The deeper zones are more extreme.
Every surface must be conquered. The environment is always shifting. Encounters are constant. Even deeper, new spaces appear. A moment of stillness. The journey continues. Something larger lies ahead.
the heart of the underground world.
A hidden ecosystem, fully alive.
Every edge holds activity.
Nothing here ever stops.
Only a small light reveals it all.
In the depths below, life continues unseen.